Hello and welcome everyone, and thank you so very much for joining me again. We had a snowstorm today, and I'm just trying to work smart so that we can blow the snow away. So the best thing is I'm using the leaf blower because today is a powder snow and it's easy to blow the snow rather than plowing. So before it's going to melt because the sun is about to come and it's going to be wet. So until it's light, and you can use the blower and you can just blow it away, and it's to save your time, energy, and working smart, not hard today. So I am doing that around 10 o'clock in the morning. Um, when it's rain or rain following by snow, or snow followed by the rain, so then it's hard to blow snow. So this is the best time when there is a freezing day and there is a dry snow, then you are able to blow. Otherwise it is not recommended or not suggested for those days when there is a snow, rain, and then it's a combination of wet and ice kind of environment. So today I'm enjoying because it's easy to blow the snow away. It's dry like a sand, and it's blowing so easily. I'm feeling like it's a productive. It's a saving my back, it's a saving my time, energy, and I'm enjoying it actually. So thank you so very much, guys. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Please like, share, and comment how you normally do your driveway and how you blow and plow snow away. So enjoy this video. Bye now.